If your lover is possessive and more protective about you, then it confirms that she is crazy for you. Normally, we conclude her wrong who is possessive. We believe her feelings are different. But what is true love? She understands, she knows. She is little bit jealous for you because you are her commitment. Maybe she trusts you, but for those she becomes possessive, her trust bends. You force her to change herself, but that change is not in her hands. In this situation, what should you do? You fix her as your goal. Hold her, feel her, believe her as your own soul. Possessive or not possessive is depending upon feeling. Brain doesn't understand this. That's why in YouTube, how to overcome possessiveness is trending. Understand her feelings a bit. Understand the condition of her hurt bit. It is not compulsory that she must have your thinking. Possessiveness is wrong in that case where it becomes family separating. Try to understand her, please. She is a material like wife. Golden opportunity doesn't come every time in life. Maybe she is worried about her madness, wants to change herself, control herself, still gets angry whenever she expresses, but when she is alone, she feels she can't help. These words are from soul again. If you try to understand through brain, then you will get pain and pain. Okay, listen, what is the problem to become a possessive partner? She will never break your heart and throw you in corner. It's completely pure, her love towards you. Understand the positive thing. Becoming possessive in love is not new. Try to understand. Love is childish. That's why sometimes it becomes foolish. Avoid temper, find feelings. That is called understandings. Whom will you find right? Society is full of fight. Maximum people stays in your rack but kills you from your back. See the present condition and stop your fights. Leave everything or do something which snatches her sleep at nights. Okay, please listen. At least she is not fake. She loves you the most. Understand for God's sake. You also try to become possessive for her because those kinks makes love better. Don't be worried what will happen with you. Just do this for her. You will get the most precious thing in life. Then society will say made for each other. If her love was not true, then you say only for you, why she argue? She may came and cheat you or would say some words and leave you. Come on, let's forget the words from past. Just feel the true love which lasts. Let me give you an example. Have you watched the super hit film Dar performed by Shah Rukh Khan? In that movie, Shah Rukh said these lines. I love you, Kiran. तुम किसी और की नहीं हो सकते, कभी नहीं हो सकते ना, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा हुआ ना तो कोई किसी से प्यार नहीं करेगा। अरे चाहत का नाम नहीं लेगा कोई, लोग मोहब्बत से नफरत करेंगे, नफरत। अरे नहीं किरण, नहीं, तुम ऐसा मत करो किरण, ऐसा मत करो प्लीज। मुझे इतनी बड़ी सजा मत दो प्लीज। मैं आज तक तुम्हारी मोहब्बत और तुम्हारी तस्वीरों के सहारे जीता रहा हूं। अगर तुम इनको भी मुझसे छीन लोगी तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मेरे पास तो तुम्हारे मोहब्बत के सिवा और कुछ है ही नहीं। मैं क्या करूंगा? I love you, Kiran. Shah Rukh has acted like a possessive man in this movie, where he has done lots of things to own Kiran. But he resembled a negative character because he was possessive for someone else's wife, which is wrong. If you are possessive with others' property, then you will be finished. That's why he has been killed in the movie. But in the movie, there is a positive side also. That is, Shah Rukh's love towards Kiran was the most. And who loves someone, he will be possessive for her. That's true, which is a beautiful pain in love for true. Just assume if the character of Sunny Deol was not present in the movie and Shah Rukh was the only lover for her, then think, Kiran could be in the heaven of love. Now I am sharing a feeling of a possessive person. Am I possessive? Yes, I am possessive. I have problem if someone touching you intentionally. If he tries to make you laugh more, if he gives you time more than me, I have problems. I want that you give your full time to me, only me. Laugh, play, say whatever you want to do, just do with me. If you talk with someone for 2 minutes also, I get jealous like a dog. You are thinking how much possessive I am, but I am like this, please, like that. Because whatever is mine is only mine. I don't want to share my own thing with others. If you think I am over possessive, you can think I don't have any problems. I love you and you are just mine. Thank you.
तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण, तू किसी और की हो न जाना। कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा मैं दीवाना, मांग लूंगा तुझे आसमां से, छीन लूंगा तुझे इस जहां से। तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर। तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण।